Amazing and creative construction workers and ingenious constructions. SCIULLI Concrete. This machine has made flooring so easy and turns this highly time-consuming process into minutes. Before such machines, this process was carried with all by manual manners, such as preparing the concrete material and pick it up by the use of a wheelbarrow. Then drag the wheelbarrow to the specified point by putting so many efforts and cost for extra labor. But now, this machine picks up the concrete material in the bucket and takes it to the specified point, all by automated operations with filling the floor with the concrete. This machine is like an excavator, but the only difference is the less potential and energy that the other excavators have. This is just designed and manufactured to balance the amount of concrete needed to build a plain and balanced floor. Similarly, to see the best results while utilizing this machine, put some steel rods on the floor before applying the concrete and fill it with the concrete above. Then let the material absorbed by the area. After leaving it for some minutes, spray the floor with the specific liquid and start the most attractive design that can fully meet your expectations. SCIULLI Concrete handles all your residential concrete needs, including driveways, sidewalks, patios, retaining walls, and French drains, inside and out. Do traditional concrete or exposed, and add an appealing finishing design. So service commercial jobs such as parking lots, curbs, sidewalks, and many other unique requests. PERGO Flooring in the U.S. PERGO Flooring has the mission to illuminate the walls of your homes by beautifying them all around. The installation process begins with a pre-analysis of the wall to figure out studs and tilts in the wall, because for a perfect and plain installation, the wall is supposed to be flat. After figuring the studs from all way to vertical and horizontal, make sure to make a perfect balance of it. Then remove all the moldings if there are any. You can determine the studs manually and by the use of electric finders, so that you could find all the studs for the best and perfect installations. Once the process of the balancing is done, then flip the first board and marinate its back with sticking glue and fit it at the board. This will be basing its foundations. The installations process is row vise. Then the process should be continued until the board covers all the walls around. Amid the installation process, you can use a soft hammer for better fittings and a nail puncher to make sure the fittings more durable and lasting. Once the process is done, then you can have a final look at your newly decorated wall. You can hang any of your memories and rare crafts to add beauty to the wall design. KOHLER. The KOHLER company comes with a variety of compelling bath solutions to make bathing smoother and enjoyable. The installation process starts with the application of sealing tape to the valve, which flows the water from the tank to the rain panel. Similarly, then it entails the construction support with the joint of 2 wood screws. Simultaneously, again apply sealing tape to both of the valves to ensure non-leakage problems. Then reinstall the valve if it resembles being non-leaking. Once the installation process of the values is done, then find the most suitable place for the push button and applicate the push button with checking its looseness. If the push button is seen to be loose, open the button as it was installed and loosen the screw and recheck the loosing until it throws back the same force. Similarly, then connect the water supply from the tank, the value, and respectively with the rain panel. But before, find the most compelling area for the installation of the rain panel and connect the elbow that will flow the water from the valve to the rain panel. KOHLER provides a variety of designs for the rain panel, designed for singles and couples. So, choose the one which seems to be the most attractive one. The last step would be to check if the rain panel, whether it's flowing the water at the desired level or not. Once the overall process is done and carried perfectly, you can start to have a much better and enjoyable bath. If you are obsessed to watch powerful machines and latest technologies, please do hit the like button and subscribe our channel with punching the bell icon so that you could be the first to get the latest update. And write down in the comments section, "I am subscribed," so I will reply to your comments as soon as possible.